All right, so there's a reason you always only see this angle of this office. It's really because the rest of the office is not decorated whatsoever. So today we're going to lay some plans to redecorate this office, and we're going to do it in VR, as well as upgrade my wife's workstation. Let's get into it. Flexispot sent out their E6 dual motor standing desk, and just take a look at this top here. It's pretty awesome. The assembly instructions were straightforward, pretty easy. Didn't take long at all, maybe about 30 minutes, and before I knew it, I was done. Something I noticed here, the E6 actually has a 3-stage dual motor. So you can see the 1, 2, 3 stages there, and both sides have a motor on them. Now, I am already a Flexispot fan. I built this desk back during the pandemic. This one only has a single stage right here, and it's only a single motor as well. It stood the test of time, but this gives you really good stability at all 3 stages. Let's put it to the test. So before we test the lift motors, I'm gonna grab my 40-pound desktop. We're gonna put it on top. So the E6 can hold up to 352 pounds, but let's see how well it handles my 40-pound or so desktop. Let's go down here to standing mode. Super quiet. Let's take it back down to sitting. So yeah, it seemed to handle that really nicely. You could put up to 300 more pounds on this thing. So here we are, sitting at the E6, and I don't have a monitor set up because I have my Quest, and this PC is not on at all. You don't even have to set up any monitors anymore thanks to VR. And I like all the space that this one provides. This is the larger one. I think it's 70 inches wide, but you can put your Quest controllers over here comfortably and also have your giant PC on top of the desk to your right there. The Flexispot dual motor 3-stage standing desk is pretty sweet. The seamless solid slab, the programmable control panel with 4 separate memory settings. It has a minimal polished design that was perfect for my office, and is capable of holding up to 352 pounds. And right now there is a Flexispot Amazon Prime Day deal for up to 60% off with 100% free shipping on orders on July 16th and 17th. A big thank you again to Flexispot for sponsoring this video. All right, let's jump into the Quest and do this beautiful desk some justice. Kind of want to do some shelves over the desk. That would actually be pretty cool. But let's do this here. Not bad. Straighten out that photo. Might remove that. Let's do like a city map right here. Dope. That's a little big. Let's drop that like that. Then maybe we'll do some like wall shelves right there. That'd be kind of cool. Ooh, nice. That right there. Maybe a plant or something. Let's put that right there. Nice. Let's get a plant. Oh, nice. Let's put that on the floor right here. That's much better. Let's just do a plant here because I kind of am tired of like all the clutter. Just do a plant right there.
There we go, solid oak wood shelf. Let's do that. Let's get some of these. Ooh, nice. All right. Thinking like we could put one like that. Bam. So let's get one more. Let's grab another one of those and put it right here. So we have like a big one. Put some stuff on. No. Oh, look at that. Let's put that right there. I like it. Let's just put this, let's put this near the sun. Flowers will need some. All right, let's move this out of the way. Put it right next to my bonsai plant. Let's really get something going here. Let's get something like this. Put one of those up here. Scale it down. Nice. Let's put this up here. Boom. This is looking really good, guys. Got some plant life over there. Let's move this out of the way. Check that out. Check that out. Oh, my picture's a little crooked. I'm really starting to like how my wife's desk will look. It's looking so much better than mine. All I got was a bonsai tree and a cork board. But while we were at it here, I threw a couple of extra things into the office just to round it out a little bit. But this looks great, guys. I love the way this came out. I have to admit, I'm a little jealous that I'm giving this to my wife because listen to how super quiet the motor is. But I think it's a little bit too late to take it back. Links in the description, and we'll see you here next time in the construct. Peace.